Biden must destroy all military assets that he ordered left behind in Afghanistan. Why would Biden order that all military equipment, such as Blackhawk helicopters, high-tech drones, missiles, and over 600,000 automatic weapons be left behind when the military and contractors were ordered to evacuate Afghanistan? Left behind so the Taliban could acquire them. Now the Taliban have more Blackhawk helicopters than Australia. Why would Biden order that? Simple. So the Taliban could sell them to the Chinese, Russians, and Iranians. A decision of this magnitude is knowingly made. It is not a mistake. Made so the Chinese, Russians, and Iranians could acquire this technology and reverse engineer them. Do the Chinese, Russians, and Iranians have damaging information on Biden that would motivate him to make a decision to abandon over $80 billion of high technology equipment? What else could motivate the Commander-in-Chief, Biden, to compromise the national security of the United States? What else could keep Biden from ordering that these U.S. assets be destroyed even today? They should be located and destroyed now. Yes, Biden knowingly compromised the national security of the United States. Biden actually sold out the United States. Yes, Biden diminished the standing of the United States in the eyes of the world. Biden humiliated the United States military and abandoned United States citizens to death and harm in Afghanistan. Biden abandoned NATO country citizens. Now NATO countries have to scramble and place their military in harm's way in order to locate and evacuate those that they can find. Biden abandoned those Afghans who helped the United States military. And as important, Biden stripped the Afghanistan people of their human rights and subjected them to the rule of the Taliban, the savage Taliban. Only a truly evil person could do this. You cannot deny that. Think about this when you vote in the next election. Think about which party has committed these heinous acts. The United States will never be the same from this time on. Biden's catastrophic intentional screw-up has diminished the United States in the eyes of the world family of countries. Biden has diminished the United States. Think about this. Well, I hope this helps. Have a good day.